No gym? No problem. Ready to get fit at home? These simple exercises will get you started fast. You don't need fancy equipment, just your body and some space. Let's do this. Imagine transforming your living room into your personal gym. With just a few simple exercises, you can start your fitness journey right at home. No need for expensive memberships or fancy equipment. All you need is determination and a bit of space. These exercises are perfect for beginners. Start slow and gradually increase your intensity. Consistency is key. Remember, every little bit counts. So let's get started. Your fitness journey begins now. Home workouts are super convenient, no need to travel. You can exercise anytime you want. Fit it into your busy schedule. Plus, it's free. Before we start, let's warm up those muscles. Try some jumping jacks. March in place. Get your heart pumping. This prevents injuries. It also prepares your body for exercise. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your hips as if sitting in a chair. Keep your back straight. Push through your heels to stand up. Feel the burn in your legs and glutes. Alright, let's move on to section 5, where we will focus on one of the most fundamental and effective exercises for building upper body strength. Exercise 2, push-ups. Build upper body strength. Push-ups are a classic exercise that targets multiple muscle groups and can be done anywhere without any equipment. Start in a plank position. Make sure your hands are placed slightly wider than shoulder-width apart, and your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Lower your chest towards the floor, keeping your elbows close to your body. It's important to maintain a tight core and avoid letting your hips sag or rise too high. Then push back up to the starting position. Engage your chest, shoulders, and triceps as you press through your palms to lift your body. This exercise works your chest, specifically the pectoral muscles, which are crucial for upper body strength and stability. Shoulders, including the deltoids, which help with a range of arm movements, and triceps, which are essential for pushing motions. There are many variations of push-ups that you can try to target different muscle groups or increase the difficulty. For example, you can do wide push-ups to focus more on the chest, or diamond push-ups to emphasize the triceps. If you're a beginner, you can start with modified push-ups on your knees. This reduces the amount of body weight you need to lift, making it easier to build strength gradually. Another modification is the incline push-up, where you place your hands on an elevated surface like a bench or step. This also makes the exercise easier and helps you build the necessary strength to progress to standard push-ups. For those looking for a challenge, decline push-ups are a great option. By elevating your feet on a higher surface, you increase the difficulty and engage your upper chest and shoulders more intensely. You can also try explosive push-ups, where you push up with enough force to lift your hands off the ground. This variation helps build power and speed in your upper body muscles. Push-ups with a clap are another advanced variation that requires explosive strength and coordination. As you push up, clap your hands together before returning to the starting position. To add resistance and further challenge your muscles, you can use a resistance band. Place the band across your back and hold the ends in your hands as you perform the push-up. Another way to increase the intensity is by placing a weight plate on your back. This adds extra resistance and helps build even more strength in your upper body. Remember, proper form is crucial to avoid injury and maximize the benefits of push-ups. Keep your core tight, back straight, and movements controlled. After completing your push-ups, it's important to stretch your muscles to aid recovery and maintain flexibility. Focus on stretching your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Track your progress over time by noting the number of push-ups you can do and how your form improves. Consistency is key to building strength and achieving your fitness goals. Push-ups are a versatile and effective exercise that can help you build a strong, toned upper body. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and enjoy the results of your hard work. Now we're at section 6, exercise 3, plank. Engage your core. Hold a push-up position with your forearms on the floor. Keep your body in a straight line and engage your core muscles. This exercise is fundamental for building core strength and stability. Make sure your elbows are directly under your shoulders and your feet are hip-width apart. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core by pulling your belly button towards your spine. This will help you maintain the correct posture and maximize the benefits of the exercise. Hold this position for as long as you can. Start with 20 to 30 seconds, and gradually increase the duration as you build strength. It's important to focus on your breathing while holding the plank. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. This will help you stay calm and maintain the position longer. If you feel your hips sagging or your back arching, take a break and reset your form. Quality is more important than quantity when it comes to planks. Planks are great for your abs and back. They also engage your shoulders, chest, and legs, making it a full-body workout. Regularly incorporating planks into your routine can improve your posture, reduce back pain, and enhance your overall athletic performance. Remember to keep your neck in a neutral position by looking at a spot on the floor about a foot in front of your hands. This will prevent strain on your neck and help you maintain the correct alignment. If you're new to planks, you can start with a modified version by keeping your knees on the floor. As you get stronger, progress to the full plank position. Consistency is key, so aim to include planks in your workout routine at least 3 times a week. Over time, you'll notice significant improvements in your core strength and stability. Keep challenging yourself by trying different variations, such as side planks or plank with leg lifts, to target different muscle groups and keep your workouts interesting. Finally, let's move to section 7, exercise 4, crunches. Sculpt your abs. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Place your hands behind your head and lift your shoulders off the ground. Engage your abdominal muscles and lower back down slowly. Crunches target your upper abs. Section 8. Exercise 5 lunges. Leg day at home. Lunges are a fantastic exercise to incorporate into your leg day routine, especially when you're working out from the comfort of your own home. To begin, step forward with one leg, making sure to maintain a controlled and steady movement. Lower your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. This is crucial for ensuring that you are engaging the correct muscles and maintaining proper form. As you lower your hips, focus on keeping your torso upright and your core engaged. This will help you maintain balance and stability throughout the movement. Keep your front knee behind your toes. This is an important aspect of the lunge to prevent unnecessary strain on your knee joint. By keeping your knee aligned properly, you ensure that the force of the movement is distributed evenly across your muscles, rather than placing undue stress on your joints. Push off with your front foot to return to the starting position. As you push off, focus on using the strength of your front leg to drive the movement. This will help you build power and strength in your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Remember to keep your movements controlled and deliberate to maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. Lunges work your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. These are some of the largest muscle groups in your body, and strengthening them can have a significant impact on your overall fitness. By incorporating lunges into your leg day routine, you can improve your lower body strength, enhance your balance and stability, and even boost your athletic performance. Additionally, lunges can help to improve your flexibility and range of motion, making them a versatile and valuable exercise for any fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, lunges can be adapted to suit your needs and help you achieve your fitness goals. So next time you're planning your leg day workout, don't forget to include lunges for a comprehensive and effective lower body workout. Section 9. Cool down, relax, and recharge. Great job. Now it's time to cool down. Gentle stretches are perfect. This helps your muscles recover. It also prevents soreness. Section 10. Listen to your body. Rest and recover. Don't push yourself too hard, especially when starting. Rest is important. It allows your body to repair. You'll come back stronger. Section 11. You got this. Well done. You've completed your first home workout. Keep going. Consistency is key. You've got this.